Hey friends, I'm Scott Raley, and today I want to talk to you about the harsh reality of what it really takes to make money online. I'm talking about at least a 5,000 a month passive affiliate type money income. And I've tried a lot of things myself, from MLMs to JZoo to ClickBank offers and affiliate offers and product launches to webinars, meetup groups, social influencing, and even a YouTube channels, my friends. And between the comp plans and all the things that I've tried, and all the high paid gurus and courses that I've joined, and the countless hours of training and challenges that I've been a part of that don't really convert, it wasn't really building an actual income that I wanted, right? And I experienced the harsh reality of what it really takes to make money online. And that's the reason for this video. And I'm determined. So one of the things is that I really appreciate is not giving up. And I'm glad I didn't, because I finally found something, a system that truly works to build a consistent passive residual income, my friends. And right now I'm working in my home office that you see around me, and I'm making that type of residual income to pay for the type of home office, and it directly deposited into my bank account. And this system, what's really unique about it is it's got a very low entry to barrier and a high compensation plan, a two-tier compensation plan. And what I like so much about it is it incentivizes me to help you help your team. Because I've been looking for something that's got a really amazing comp plan, that's got a great system attached to it, that you could build a real legit business without having to spend a lot of time and money dealing with customer support, dealing with, chargebacks or people not happy with the system. No, 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 no. If you're tired of struggling, then this is what I want. I can't wait to talk to you guys today about this. So stay tuned. I encourage you to give this system a try. It's really that good.